My name is Miguel from the Mobile 757. This is my own work vehicle. A couple months ago that my alternator completely died in front of a customer. I had to take my own advice and I had to replace the battery. The alternator was $200 something. That's a lot of money. Here's the brand new alternator. This is the F-150. The battery they wanted was $200 and something for this truck. So what I did is, first of all, to know if your battery is even worth keeping, you look at this sticker right here, and if it's more than 3 years old, start to consider changing it. That is a consideration. What I did is I went to Walmart. So this is what you do. When you go to the battery of yours, you look for this number. This is your cranking amps, cold cranking amps, and this is your cranking amps. This battery was only $90 something with a 3-year warranty versus $200. That should save you a lot of money. All you need to do is have somebody with tools to take off the negative, the positive, and if there is a battery hold clamp, or sometimes it goes up and around and it clamps on like this. But to save yourself a lot of money, all you have to do is take a picture of this, go to Walmart and match this up as close as you can. But this is very important, and this is very important. Once you do that, you turn the old battery into Walmart and you save yourself over $100 something. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.